Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen color of one Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on mods and routines. After click on mods and routines, click on sleep mode and make sure turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, scroll down and click on display and click on light. After convert to light theme, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After click on VN enhancement, click on color correction and turn off color correction button. After turn off color correction button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, and click on color filter, and you will see, and turn off color filter button. After turn off color filter button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen color on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.